Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today is May 27th. It is 9:32 a.m. So the market just opened. I've got my key levels marked off, the areas of support resistance I'm going to look for price to react off of, to take a potential trade off of. With that being said, this is just going to be a live trading video. I'm going to show you stop loss, execution, take profit, all that good jazz. All just full transparency, nothing to hide, full take profit, full stop loss, all that good stuff. As soon as I enter the trade, I'll tell you guys. As soon as I exit the trade, I'll show and tell you guys. But yeah, we got our areas marked off. It is May 27th at 9:32 a.m. I don't know when you guys will see this video. You may see it next week into June, but just know that's just because I schedule my content, and it's not because I'm trying to hide something or anything like that. I'm going on a huge trip to Italy. Not tomorrow, in 2 days on the 29th. So yeah, I'm trying to schedule a bunch of content just so you guys still have YouTube content and stuff like that when I'm in Italy. I don't know why I just said it like that, but yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. It's gonna be a live trading, not much talking. When I get ready to take a trade, I will pick up the camera again and show you guys what's happening. All right, guys, I've just entered myself in some shorts there after waiting patiently all day. Finally get a position where I'm comfortable entering the trade. And yeah, I'm going to look to ride down these shorts just to these lows right here for just a little 1-to-1, just like that. Exact is 1 to 1.3, and take profit will just be down here at $2,798. So looking to make just about $3,000 on this trade. Waited patiently for a trade today, finally got one, and now looking for it just to ride down into take profit. Stops are protected just above this wick up here as we break through this area of support. Of resistance. The reason I took this trade is because we have a 4-hour key level right here. Price failed to hold it multiple times. It continued to trade under it. Finally, we make a double top up right here. We have top 1, we have top 2. So as price breaks through the neckline of the area right here after making a double top right here, that's why I decided to enter this position. So I just want to see price give us a quick little move to the downside. I'm not a fan of price action recently. There's a lot going on in the economy. There's a lot going on in the Middle East, as you guys know, and it's pretty hard to trade this sort of price action. So I just want to see price give us a nice move into the downside, and yeah. Oh, bro, this is some annoying ass shit right here. Dude, what the fuck is going on? All right, bang, guys, we're going to hit take profit there. Nice little trade. Man, it is so volatile. I don't even know what to say about half this price action. Was able to squeeze a 1.49 out of it. I originally just wanted to go for the 1-to-1, but then I saw how volatile price was moving. So I was like, all right, I'm going to try to squeeze a little bit more out of this. And we did. So yeah, super quick take profit there. Like I said before, all this trade was based off of was my 4-hour key level here. price was failing to hold the key level multiple times. We were really trading under it for a long time. Price comes up, creates top 1 right here, top 2 right here, and then we start breaking under this mid neckline area of the level. So I decided to enter myself in the position for the double top resistance breakout. And yeah, guys, don't be discouraged. We're in a world right now where price action is so volatile. I don't know if you guys saw the way those wicks were moving right here, man. Volatile ass price action is super volatile. We have wars in the Middle East. We have political figures tweeting things all the time. We have people that can't make up their minds. I mean, look at now. Look at this candle right now after this huge move to the downside. I'm lucky I got out when I did. But yeah, guys, that's going to wrap it up. If you guys are, I did alert my Discord, my live trading Discord, that I was taking this trade. If you guys are interested in joining the live trading Discord, the link will be down in the description. And if you guys are interested in learning one-on-one from me, where I do one-on-one coaching calls with you to teach you this very strategy, that is also down in the description. But one thing I want to leave you guys with, if you are a beginner trader that's struggling, do not be discouraged. Look at the type of price action that we are dealing with. Look at the type of price action that we've been dealing with all day. It's just choppy markets, volatile markets. We're in a volatile point in the world right now. War with Iran, gas prices suck, we're in political trouble. I mean, look, it is what it is. The NASDAQ is at all-time highs for long-term investors, which is great. But for us day traders, we're struggling a little bit with price action. And now here comes price back to the downside again. Just volatile price action, man. Don't be discouraged if it's going wrong for you. But nevertheless, like I said, if you are interested in taking these trades live with me and as well, learning one-on-one from me, both those links will be down in the description. But nevertheless, God bless, guys. Oh, real quick, before I go, I do want to show the P&L that I made from that position. So let's see. From that position, I made, there it is. Where is it? From that position, where is it? Oh, there. From that position, I made $3,600 right here. Bang, boom, boom, bang. So yeah, super good position. And yeah, there it is. $3,600. Let's go, man.